No, sir.
Okay. Till now we have introduced the sutras. First sutra. First we introduced the Ekadikena Purvena.
Ekadikena Purvena.
Yes. Second, Purna Purnabhyam. By the completion or non-completion.
Sir, then we learn Yada.
Yavadunam. By the deficiency, right?
Yes, sir.
And later we introduced one more sutra, that is Sankalana Vyavakalana
Yes, sir.
Sankalana Vyavakalana Abhyam.
Sir, I think fifth one is Nikhil.
Sir, now we learn Nikhil.
Yeah. In the last class, I think. In the last class, we introduced this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Nikhilam. Nikhilam Navata Charamam Dashata. So all
Yes,
from
sir.
9 and last from 10.
10.
So remember one thing, all these are the introductions for these sutras, not the end, not the completion of the sutra. Introduction of
We have more, sir.
whenever and wherever it is required, we'll use again and again the same sutra. Okay. Right. I think last class we have completed this exercise.
Yes, sir. We
Okay.
completed this.
Yes, sir, we completed.
Yeah, this one.
7. Sir, this also completed, sir. This 4 new
Yes,
students.
Yeah, what is the difference between the first exercise and this one?
Sir, because there is not 0 and here is 0 and we should cut the 0 and go to the 357 and multiply.
Yeah, we should cut the 0 and we should write that 0 as it is.
Write
and,
the 0
for the
as
remaining
is.
number. For the remaining number, apply the same sutra, Nikhilam sutra.
Sir, do we need to write the name?
Sorry,
Sir, do we need to write the name?
Yeah.
which name?
Sir, you can explain
This
sutra again, sir.
This is
Here
old.
nothing. If 0 is there, we should
only
cut
Sir,
the
this
0
is the
and
old one, na,
add
sir.
this.
I told you in the beginning only, keep in mute condition. Whoever want to speak, they can speak. Only one person at a time. I can understand. Otherwise, I cannot understand.
Sir, can you please
Srishti, why are you
Sir,
giving
Sushti
that?
already sent me, sir.
Sir, I thought
sir.
that
That is what I am asking. Wait. All of you wait.
Sir, you can explain the sutra again.
I think this is better. Right? Now it is very cool and calm. I'm continuously telling, wait. Again and again you are speaking the same. I'm giving that chance to you only, right? You can unmute and you can mute. Okay, don't speak unnecessarily, but I am giving that chance again. If it is necessary, you can speak. So when immediately, yeah, I'll explain the sutra again. Okay, no issue. Go to mute condition immediately. Okay, I'm explaining once again, just who are not there in the last class for their purpose only. See, this sutra is helpful whenever we are subtracting a number from its above base number. Okay, so 20 above base number.
100.
100.
Very good, correct. 93 above base.
100.
19
100.
above base.
100.
119 above base.
1,000.
1000. Only 10 powers are the base numbers. Okay, and 5 above base.
Sir, 100.
10.
10, not 100. 10. 930 above base.
Sir, 1000.
1930 above base.
10,000.
10,000, sir. 10,000.
Yes, very good. 10,000. Okay, right. See,
Yes, sir.
any number, some 357, sorry, 375. When we are subtracting from 1000, we can use this sutra. So the sutra is last we have to subtract from 10, and all the remaining digits we have to subtract from 9. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 3 is 6. That is the answer, 625. Okay.
Yes, sir. We
So this is the basic this is the basic for the sutra. And in the second exercise, we told that here some number 920 is there. 920 above base is 1000. When we apply this sutra directly as it is without any change, we'll get a wrong answer here. Why, sir? Because in the last place it is 0. In the last place it is 0. When we subtract that 0 from 10, we'll get a double digit number. Okay. In units place, we are getting a double digit number. So that's a wrong solution or wrong answer. That's why take zeros directly to the answer. And for the remaining number, apply the same sutra. Okay. Subtract here the last number is 2, not 0.
Okay.
Last number is 2. Subtract 2 from 10, that will be 8. And 9 minus 9 will be 0. So answer is 80. 80. Okay. This is the exemption in this sutra. In the third
Yes,
exercise.
sir, we should take. Sir, yes, sir. Sir, now we can give names, sir.
Wait. Third completed or not completed?
Not completed, sir. Not completed.
Not completed, sir.
Not completed, then you can give your names.
Sir, I gave, sir, first only, sir.
Okay, give your names.
Yes, sir.
Sir, only one time you.
Okay, I'm not considering Srushti D. I'm taking from A, Ritvika. Srushti, you can give the name again. But don't send repeatedly. Don't send repeatedly. If I got repeated messages, I'll close the chance for that person. I'll remove that person from the chance. Srushti, again taken B only.
Sir, sorry, Kunal has taken B first.
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
Okay. There is a chat box for me also.
First, I took F, sir.
K. Raghav. I
Sir, Kunal.
Jaydeep. J. B. Kunal. D. Srishti.
Sir, can you please say that who is I?
Jaydeep. J-A-I.
Okay, sir.
Sir, he is teaching J. Means his name is J. That's why. But I gave C, sir.
Sudisha H. Don't send messages repeatedly.
J.
If you send repeatedly,
Luri.
I'll cancel that question.
Sir.
So this is the last chance. Okay. Shivpranav, you can send twice. Don't send from the next onwards, next exercise onwards. Srushti, already D is given and again H, sorry, F, Y.
Sir, first you said that don't take these or that's I took F, sir.
Don't take D for the first message. Before this exercise message, there is a message, right?
Yes,
For
sir.
that message, I told that point. Is Satvika. Shivpranav twice over and again twice. H. Sudisha twice. Srushti twice. I Harsha. Sorry, I or L? I only. I already over. Sri Harsha. Take another question. Okay, J. Take an J. Okay. Sri Harsha, right?
Sir, can I get for G?
That's all.
G,
All the persons are over.
G.
Sir, J. It seems.
G.
Yes, sir.
Where is G?
Sir, here 10,000 minus 8,800.
No. In the chat box, I'm asking.
So, sir, sir, everyone I completed, sir. I told I want to.
Wait. There are one G, question number G and F. 2 more questions are there. Anybody who are not there in this list, they can select. Otherwise, I will allot. G, Jayid, very good. One more question. F is remaining.
Sir, can I take?
If you are a new person, you can
Srishti
take.
already got now, sir.
If you are a new person, you can take.
Sir, Srishti got again. She is showing F, sir.
Yes, sir. Srishti got already.
Sir, Drona didn't get a chance.
No, Srushti, question number D.
Sir, Drona
Yeah, sir,
didn't get a
Drona.
chance. Drona.
Sir, even that.
Wait. They will talk. Why the remaining persons are not speaking? Are not taking any question? Aditya, Ahna Singh, Aditya, Ahna Singh, Ishan, Drona.
Sir, I joined a little
Mahira, Raghava,
Sir, I already got a chance.
Sahit Verma. Okay, Ahna. Yeah, wait and see.
Yes, sir.
After this exercise, you also have to take. After clarifying your doubts. Ahna.
So,
Yes,
did you call me?
Ahna.
No, sir, Sahit.
Sahit.
Sir, who did
Yeah.
not
Sahit
answer.
Verma.
Yes, sir.
Is it your first class?
No, sir.
How many classes attended?
Sir, I don't remember the count, sir, but I think I've attended most of them.
Means you are already familiar with these things.
I came in middle of the semester, I
Okay,
think.
no problem. Already you are aware of these things, right?
Yes, sir.
Then why don't you take a question?
So I'll just take the F1.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now all of you do all the questions. All of you do all the questions.
Sir, before only did it, sir.
Sir, even I did it.
Sir, I do read it, sir.
Sir, I do did it. Sir, I've done all, sir.
Okay. Whoever completed,
Even I, sir.
whoever completed, they can write done in the chat box. Done. Just write done. Yeah, Raghav completed, Sudisha completed, Sahit Verma completed, Sriharsha, Shobhranav, Ritvik. I want all of you how to complete. Okay, Srushti. Okay, Kunal. Remaining. No need to send answers. Yeah, Satvika completed. Jaydeep completed. Jayit completed.
Sir, last sum, sir.
Okay, carry. Mahira, are you there? Mahira. Raghav completed. Okay, done. Next, Satvika completed. Okay, very good. Sriharsha completed.
Yes, sir.
Completed the exercise.
So should we start, sir?
No,
I'm still doing it, sir.
Okay, we'll start with the first question. Ritvik, ready?
Yes, sir. So the
I
question
think
is
it's
1000 minus.
Wait. I think it's a mixed questions. Only one question. Srushti's question is different. Other than that, the remaining questions are same as previous exercise only. Only Srushti,
Yes, sir.
somewhat careful. Be careful. Okay, Ritvik.
Sir, I know the answer, sir. Sir, you explained, sir. I remember.
Okay. We'll start with Ritvik.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So answer question is 1000 minus 481.
Hmm.
So first we should take 10 minus 1, which
Okay.
is equal to 9.
Okay.
9 minus 8, which is equal to 1.
Okay.
9 minus 4, which is equal to 5.
That's all.
So answer will
And
be
we can
5.
simply ignore this one, right?
Yes. Sir,
Or
yes,
otherwise,
sir.
we can say in another way, we can say we have to write a predecessor of 1.
1 we can. Yes, sir.
What is the predecessor of 1?
0.
Predecessor means
Zero,
before number. Predecessor means
Because
before
0,
number.
sir. Right.
Which number
Sir,
will be
one
there before 1?
predecessor.
The
0.
number system.
Sir, the number system 0.
Yeah, in the number system, always 0 will be there before 1, right? So 1 predecessor is 0. Even writing 0 or not writing 0 will not affect the number. Will not
Because
make any
0 is not value.
That's why we don't need to write. That's it.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Kunal.
Yes, sir. Sir, 1000 minus 309, sir. Sir, all the zeros will become 9, sir, except the last one, sir. Last one will become 10, and the number 1 will become 0, sir. So 10 minus 9 is 1, and 9 minus 0 is 0. Sorry, 9, sir. And 9 minus 3 is 6, sir.
That's all. Correct. 690.
Answer is 691. Yes, sir.
Shupranav.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, 0 will become 10. Answer is 7.
Sorry.
Sir, first here 0 will become 10 minus 2 is equals to 7, sir.
10 minus 2 is 7. Is it 7?
Sir, Kunal
sir,
is singing a song, sir.
Sorry, sir.
Hey, Kunal, again
Sorry,
and again.
Sorry, sir. I didn't
You
saw that.
can sing songs, but mute mute your audio. Now you can sing. Okay.
Sir,
Shoot,
10 minus
Shupranav.
10 minus 2 is equals to 8, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Sir, 0 will become 9, and 9 minus 9 is equals to 0.
Okay.
Sir, one more 0 will become 9, and 9 minus 8 is equals to 1.
1. That's all.
Answer is 108.
108. Correct. Yeah. Now, Srishti, your turn.
Sir, 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 9 is 0. And 9 minus 0 is 9. So the answer is 903.
Yeah. Where is another 9?
Sir,
Corresponding to
sir,
this
because
0,
there
right?
is no digit. Yes, sir.
Okay. Where is another 0 here?
Sir, that is understood now, sir, but that is 0, sir.
Yeah. There will be always a 0 will be there before any number, right? Whether we may mention or may not mention, 0 will be there. See, here 1000 minus 97 is given in your question. So till now, what we have done in the previous exercises, in that case, number of zeros in the minuend. So you know this terminology, right?
Yes, sir.
Subtraction.
Yes.
So what is the first term called? Minuend. Second term, subtrahend. Okay, and this one is difference. All of you, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am. Sir,
Okay. Minuend,
Can you
subtrahend, and difference.
Sir,
Number of
Sir, can
zeros
you
in the
admit,
minuend.
Sir,
Sorry.
sir, can you admit Sai Kartikeya? He was waiting room since 7 or 5 minutes.
He's waiting in? Where is waiting?
He's
In
waiting
WhatsApp or in Zoom?
in waiting room, sir, in Zoom.
No, nobody is there in the waiting room.
Sir, I think now he entered, sir. No, sir, still is not entered. He's asking that still I'm still in waiting room.
No, he's not there in the waiting room. Waiting room is empty.
Sir, once you can check in WhatsApp.
WhatsApp also already checked now. No zero requests. Okay, he can try again. Ending the leaving the class again, he can join.
Sir, D1 the answer I think it will come 903.
Is my answer correct?
I'm thinking answer is 3 only.
903 only, not completed. Okay, I have not written that one. 903 only. Just I am explaining the concept for the next exercise also. Okay.
Okay. Simple.
Sir, I didn't understand.
What I've done is correct.
Tell me.
Wait, Kunal. Sriharsha, tell me.
Excuse me. Sir, sometimes your voice is breaking, sir.
Whose voice? Mine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
So your voice
see.
is very clear to me.
Kunal, mute your
Yes, sir.
audio. Mute.
Sir, can you explain that one, sir? 1000.
Yeah, let me explain.
So is my method right or I am wrong?
Yeah, your method is correct and your answer is correct. 903, correct answer. Okay. Your method is correct and your answer is correct. I am explaining this one for the next exercise. Okay.
Sir,
See,
can you tell this again?
yeah, let me complete this one. That is what I am telling.
Oh, yeah, understood, sir. We should add 0 before 9.
And apply the same
97.
process. Yeah, apply the same process.
Okay. Yes, sir.
That is one way, and I'll tell another way also. See, till now, what we have completed in the previous two exercises.
Sir?
Number of zeros in the minuend are equal to number of digits in the subtrahend, like 522. What?
Sir, not anything, not sir.
Right.
Sir, I didn't understood, sir.
You
1000
are
minus.
stopping me.
Sir,
You are
he
stopping my
said-
flow.
sir.
You stop.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Yeah, see. Number of zeros are how many in 1000?
3.
3. Number of digits in 572? Number of digits in 572? 3. So it's there is a matching condition. No issue. No problem. See, in this question, in 1000, how many zeros are there?
3.
3. But in
Sir,
97, how
3.
many digits are there?
So only 2.
Only 2.
So we
That's
have
why
to add a
by
0.
adding 0, again we can apply the same process. Okay. So Shrusti said
Sir, from
that.
that time I'm in the waiting room.
Who?
Sir, yes, sir. I told you, sir. Sai Kartikeya. He
Yeah,
only
now
came again now.
Now admitted already.
Okay.
Okay, don't concentrate on those things, sir. Concentrate on these things. Okay. Last
Yes, sir.
7 we are subtracting from 10. That's why 3. 9 we have to subtract from 9. That's why 0. And this 0 we have to subtract from 9. That's why 9 minus 0, 9. So answer is 903. Okay. This is one way of solving this type of question. And I'm telling another way also. See. Okay, wait. So see another way. Same question, 1000 minus 97. 1000 minus 97. See, 10 minus 7 is how much?
3.
3. 9 minus 9 is
0.
0. And here the remaining number is 10. What is the predecessor of 10?
9.
9. So 903.
Sir, in this way also we can do, sir.
Yeah, that is what I told.
This is
So
very
in both the
easy,
ways
sir.
we can give the answer. Okay, we'll see much
One
more.
more question.
Sir,
Yeah,
you
we'll do-
told that.
We'll do one
Yes, sir.
exercise on this.
Continue.
Okay. Yeah, we'll go with Satvik E. Question number E.
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
10 minus 8, 2.
Okay.
9 minus 7, 2.
9 minus 7, 2. That's all. Any more?
That's all, sir. Zero.
That's it. That's it. Sahit Verma, I think. Sahit
Yes,
Verma. Proceed.
So it's going to be it's going to be 67. So
How you got that 67?
so first of all, so because they both are zeros, so you have to get rid of the 1 and add it to a 0 and then turn it into a 9 and then add 1 to the other 0 and then you have to subtract that by the 33. So
Okay, you are doing in a normal conventional method, right? You're not applying this sutra, all from 9 and last from 10. That is the logic behind the sutra. That is okay, but we don't need to discuss about that borrow and the things. See, these 3 subtract from 9. Sorry, subtract from 10. How much you'll get?
7.
7. And these 3 subtract from 9. Don't speak. Other persons don't speak. Only Sahit Verma has to speak.
so it's going to be subtracted by 9, so it will be 6. So
6. So that's all. That is the answer. Okay. Clear, Sahit? Listen to the explanations. What your friends are saying. Listen to those explanations also. Okay then. Jayit.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, so for the 7th one, 10,000 is there, right? So the question is given us minus 8,877. So we'll do everything as the 3 bits. So sorry, sir. That last digit will be 10 minus 7 is equal to 3.
Okay.
3, sir. The beside one, 9 minus 7 is equal to 2.
Okay.
9 minus 8 is equal to 1 and 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. The answer will be 1123.
Very good. Correct. Sudisha.
Thank you,
ready?
sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, so here it is 10, no, sir, it is 10,000. So 6 minus 10 is 4.
6 minus 10 or 10 minus 6?
10 minus 6 is
Okay.
4. 9 minus 7 is 2.
Okay.
9 minus 8 is 1.
Okay.
9 minus 9 is 0 and 0, sir.
0.
So 124.
Yeah, we may write 0 or we may not write 0. No, nothing make difference. That's why 124 answer. Yeah, Jaydeep, I think.
Yes, sir. Sir, only the rightmost digit we should subtract it from the 10, sir, and others from 9, sir. So
Okay.
10 minus 8 is 2, sir, and again 9 minus 0 is 9, sir, and 9 minus 8 is 1, sir. So the answer is 192.
192. Correct. Sri Harsha.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 1 is 9, sir.
Very good. Very good.
And the 9 minus 7 is 2, sir. 290, the answer is.
Very good. Excellent. Correct. Yeah, then Raghav.
Yes, sir. As there are 2 zeros, we should just write them in the answer. And 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 6 is 3. So our answer will be 3700.
Very good. Excellent. Correct. So I thought the last 2 questions, how you will do that one. You did it well. You both did it well. Next exercise, going to the next exercise. In this exercise, see once whatever we discussed in the last exercise, I'm telling you again. I'm taking some other question other than these questions. See, some 10,000 minus we need to do some 23. Okay. Simply.
Sir, we should add more zeros.
Wait. That is one procedure. I am giving another. One way is adding 2 zeros. One way is adding 2 zeros and applying the same technique, all from 9 and last from 10. And see another way, 10,000 minus 23. Yeah. 10 minus 7 is, sorry, 10 minus 3 is
7.
9 minus
7,
2,
sir.
7 again.
Sir, 7.
What is the remaining number?
100.
What is the predecessor of 100?
99.
99. That's it.
Sir,
Okay.
that only the answer.
Yeah, we'll get the same answer. That's why I'm telling another way also. Here also we'll get the same. See, 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7.
Sir, I have a
9 minus
doubt.
0, 9.
Sir,
9 minus 0, 9.
Sir, when all are answering, null can get.
Sir, means the norm method we cannot do.
Sir, shall I keep names?
That is of your, that is up to you. That is of your choice.
Sir, wait,
Kunal.
Kunal.
You
Sir,
can
means I
select one.
wanted to say in the first way. Could I say?
This is the first way, I think, in your point of view.
No, not that. Not that one, sir. Last bit, last exercise we did, right? That method.
Yeah, both are in that method only, but I am telling that extra point here. In this way we can do.
Sir, can we do it in that method?
So
Okay.
now you can give your names for this exercise.
Sir, B. Sudisha itself.
From where it is started, A Ritvik, right?
Sir,
Yes, sir. Sir, E. Kunal.
Don't send privately. Don't send privately. Share publicly.
Sir,
Share to everyone.
oh, sir.
Then only they also can see.
Sir, now I send everyone.
Yes, sir. I think everybody sent. Yes, sir. Sir, I'm D, sir.
E. Kunal, D. Srishti, C. Ahana.
Sir, I kept as G8, sir.
One second.
Sir, before everyone, I kept B Sudisha, sir.
Sir,
Yeah, B Sudisha, that is visible to you, but A Ritvik is visible for me. Means the Ritvik sent me privately. Don't send
Sir,
privately. Okay. So this time I'm accepting. This time I'm accepting Ritvik also.
Sir, I sent everyone also, sir, one time.
Okay. D.
Sir, I don't understand why Ritik only takes A, sir.
is Srishti.
He types it before
Sir,
Sir, I kept G8, sir.
sir, what, sir? Two Sudishas are there.
Srishti and another Sudisha.
Okay, let it be.
Yes, sir.
E1 is Kunal, sir. E1 is Kunal.
Is Satvik.
Sir,
Wait,
Toshnik,
wait,
sir, last time Toshnika came, na, sir.
sir.
His name is now Sudisha, sir.
First I kept, sir.
Okay, what happened? She can name herself.
Sir, first.
Okay, wait. There is a chat box. Okay, there is a chat box. In that order, I'm writing the names. Wait. Sri Shiv Pranav is Satvika. C. Ahana. Ahana already over. C. B. Sudisha. Don't send repeatedly. H. Raghav. J. Jaideep. B. Already over. E. Already over. C. Already over. G. Jait. A Ritvik. J Yadar. J Yadar already over. F Troshnika. Sorry, Troshnika or Troshnika. H already over. And all the questions are over, I think. Then there is a problem. Okay, Sudisha. Yeah, now do all the questions. All of you do all the questions. First complete all the questions. So no I is remaining. Okay. I, let us give it to Yadharth. Shoprano completed. Okay. Ritvik completed. Srishti completed. Raghav completed. Sudisha completed. What you want to get?
Sir, chance, sir.
Sorry?
Chance.
Chance. Yeah, you will get chance. No problem. We have
No.
one more exercise.
No.
Ashwad. Okay. Yeah, Ashwad, tell me.
Sir, I joined a little bit late, sir.
Okay.
What happened, sir, in the class?
Yeah, what is happening?
Yes, sir.
Little bit late means I explained the complete what we have done in the last class and what we are going to do today's class. All those things I discussed now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you got this one? Ashwad, you understood this one?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Okay, in this exercise, try to understand these explanations, what your friends are saying. Try to understand that one. Even if you are not understand this exercise, after this exercise, I will explain you again.
Okay, sir.
Okay. In the next exercise, you have to take one question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. Okay, done. Done. Ritvik. Ritvik, ready?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
No issue. Proceed.
Yes, sir. Sir, so the question is 1000 minus 86. So first we have to do that 1000 by 86 means 10 by 6 is 4. 9 by 8 means 1. So the 10th predecessor is 9. So the answer will be 914.
10's predecessor is 9914. That is the answer. Very good. Then Sudesha. Sudesha, is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
Sir, so now 10 minus 3 is 7.
Okay.
Then 9 minus 9 is 0. So, sorry, sir. 100 predecessor is 99.
100 or 10?
Sir, 100, no, sir. It is 1000 there.
Hmm. No. Corresponding to these two digits are over.
10, sir.
And the remaining number is 10.
Yes, sir. 10.
Hence,
Predecessor is 9, sir. So it would be 907.
907. Very good. Shoprano, ready?
Yes, sir, I'm ready. Sir, 10 minus 5 is equals to 5.
Okay.
Sir, 9 minus 3 is equals to 6.
Okay.
Sir, the 10
Before number. Otherwise, you can call it as before number.
Sir, before
10
number is
before
9.
number is 9. That's it. Okay. Srishti.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, it's 10,000 minus 678. 10 minus 8 is 2.
Okay.
9 minus 7 is 2.
Okay.
9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 6 is 3.
Okay.
And 10 predecessor is 9.
9. That's all. That is the answer. Then Satvik. Satvik or Satvika?
Sir, Satvika, sir.
Satvika.
Sir, 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 5, 4.
Okay.
And 10's predecessor is 9. So
No.
9,600.
Not completed it. What about these three? 10 minus 3 is okay. Wait. Are you there, Satvika?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 10 minus 3 is 7. Okay. 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay. But what about this 3?
9 minus 3, 6.
6. Then
10's predecessor is 9.
That's
9,647.
very good. Correct. Okay. Sai Karthikeya, you are getting leaving the room and again coming back. Why? Internet issue. Net problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tushnika. Oh, wait. I'll unmute you. Okay.
Yes, sir. So now our problem is 10,000 minus 177. So when we're solving this, sir, the starting number, which is 7, is subtracted from 10. The answer is 3.
Okay.
And for the second one, the 7 is subtracted from 9, wherein our answer is 2.
Okay.
And in the third case, it's 1, which is subtracted from 9 again. Then the answer is 8.
Okay.
And now the leftover digits we have is 10, whose predecessor is 9. So we're going to write 9.
So that's it.
So then what was this one which you taught us, sir? Like we're going to put zeros wherever there are no numbers. So and from zeros, you're going to subtract.
For the same, see that explanation for the same question.
Okay.
10,000 minus 177. So here the number of zeros in the minuend are 4, but the number of digits in the subtrahend are 3 only. So we'll make it 4. Again, apply the same procedure or sutra, all from 9 and last from 10. This last digit from 10, that will be 3. And these 3 digits from 9. This from 9 is 2. This from 9 is 8. This from 9 is 9.
Okay. Yes, sir. Same answer.
Same answer.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Then Jayit. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, 1062, right?
Sai
So
Karthikeya,
10,000
after this question,
multiplied by-
I'll unmute you. Wait. Sai Karthikeya.
So 10,000 subtracted by 62 is nothing but first one 10 minus 8 is nothing but 10 minus 2 is nothing but 8. 9 minus 6 is nothing but 3. So
Okay.
0 is there beside 6. So 9 and 9. 9,938 is the answer.
9,938, correct.
Yes, sir.
So hundreds present. you can tell 100's predecessor is 99 or directly 9 minus 0 and 9 minus 0 also we can get the same answer. Okay, Sai Karthikeya. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, can you explain once B1? B1.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll explain. See, 1000 minus 93. Okay. Subtract 9. Sorry, subtract 3 from 10. Answer.
Sir?
Subtract 3 from 10.
7.
Subtract 9 from 9.
0.
So with that, 2 digits are over, 2 zeros are over, right? And the remaining
Yes,
number
sir.
is
10.
10 before number.
9.
That's all. That is the answer.
Okay, sir.
Right. Next, Raghav. Yeah, proceed.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 8 is 1, and the predecessor of 100 is 99. So 99, 15 is our answer.
Very good. Correct. That's all. Then Yadharth. Yadharth, where are you? Next time, please. Okay, I think he left the room. Okay, we'll
Sir,
let.
Yatharth is Aditya. Yatharth is Aditya. His message.
Aditya. No. Aditya is different and Yadharth is there.
Sir, he's telling that. He just messaging the chat box.
Okay.
He's saying that that's his brother.
Okay, Aditya and Yadharth the same, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, sorry, sir. I came on my brother's account, sir.
Okay, all right.
Sir,
In the last class also, I called you like Yadharth only. From the last 2 classes, I think.
yes, sir. That time I attended in phone, sir. Now I'm attending computer, sir.
Okay. Proceed. That
first
time you have to, you should told, right?
Sir, I can't unmute. I'm telling in chat, sir.
Right.
Sir,
Proceed.
10 minus 8 is 2, sir.
Okay.
Then the 100 predecessor of 100 is 99, sir. So 992.
That much simple it is, right? So
Yes,
when
sir.
we are typing in the calculator, in the time when we are typing in the calculator, we are ready with the answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Then Jaideep.
Sir, this is really easy.
Okay. I need to unmute you. So I'm unmuting all of you. Try to keep it in this mode only. Okay. Please mute yourself.
Sir, only
Speak
the
only
right
one
mouse
person. Only one person. It is.
Sir,
Jaideep.
this is Jaideep, sir. Can I answer?
Yeah, proceed.
Sir, only the rightmost digit we should subtract it from the 10, sir. So 10 minus 3 is 7, sir. And remaining digits is 1000, sir. Its predecessor is 999, sir. So the answer is 9997, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Correct.
Sir, you can do
Sir,
directly.
it is very simple, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, very simple.
10,000 minus 3 only directly. 10,000 minus 3.
Sir, I have a
9,000.
small doubt. Sir, I have a small doubt.
Tell me.
Sir, can you tell when you are going to end the session, because I have to go out.
We'll end it by 5 or 5 maximum.
Okay, sir.
So with the next exercise, we'll try to end.
Doubt, sir. Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, which
Yes,
is this sutra name, sir?
This is Nikilam.
This one, Nikilam. Sutra.
Nikilam Navata Sharanam Dasataha.
Yes.
Sir, what is this? Okay.
This is next exercise. Cyrus, take one more question. Take one question. Cyrus also. Already over. Huh? Questions are over. Okay, right. Like hard cakes.
Sir, this is very simple, sir. Now we should take 6 and keep as it is here. And
Like hard cakes, it is over. Okay, don't
Sir,
write
first
anything.
I took D, sir.
Sir, first I took C.
sir, see Shiva
Wait,
Pranav, sir.
that's
Sir,
why.
I took D,
That's
sir.
why only I.
It's like Shiva
Sir,
Pranav.
first I took D.
Not Sudhisha, sir. First C took by.
Don't shout. Don't shout.
I think this is better. Okay. Here chat box started with the C Sudhisha. Here Raghav. Don't write anything. There are only some seven questions, but I am ready with 32, 33, 34 messages. Why? Here Raghav. Yep. Toshnika. Big Kunal. Don't write 40 messages, 42. So from the next exercise onwards, I will allot the questions. Otherwise, C already over. G Jaideep. D, yeah, Srishti. And only E is remaining. All of you fighting for only same question, but here E is remaining. Okay, Shiv Pranav, E. That's all. 79 messages. Okay, from the next exercise, I will allot the questions. Okay, do all the questions as usual. Raghav.
Yes, sir. Sir, 10 minus 8 is 2 and 9 minus 8 is 1. The predecessor of 6 is 5. So 512.
Okay. Actually, I did not tell the point behind this exercise.
But this is also simple. Just
Same only, but somewhat a small variation is there compared to the previous exercise. Let me do that one first. Okay. Till now, we are covering the questions like don't write anything in the chat box. Don't write. Don't write. Don't write. Okay, see. Till now, the questions are like some 1,000 or 10,000 minus something, or 5,000 or 6,000 minus something. But here digits are maximum up to equal to number of digits. Sorry, number of zeros. Till now, number of digits are equal to number of zeros, maximum. But here see, what if some 5,000 minus 3,728. Okay. What is there in the chat box? What is happening in the chat box? Don't write anything. Don't write. Okay, you stay in the chat box only. I will explain the exercise. Okay, see. Again, we can apply the same sutra. Last from 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. This one from 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. Up to this part is same. Now coming to the first part, till now there is no digit here. That's why we have taken the predecessor of this one. But now, what is the difference? 5 and 3 difference is 2. We have to write here 2's predecessor, that is 1. Okay, 5 minus 3 is 2. 2's predecessor is 1. Write the predecessor of their difference. Ready? Okay. Raghav, proceed.
Yes, sir. So 6 predecessor is 5. 512 is the answer.
6 predecessor is 5. That's all. Correct. Kunal, next. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, 400 minus 83, sir. So, sir, 0 will become 9 and 0 will become 10, sir. Last one will become 10. So, 3 minus 10 is 7. 9 minus 1 is 8. And the 4 predecessor is 3, sir. So, answer is 317.
Can you explain again?
Yes, sir. Sir, 400 minus 83, sir. So, 10 will, 0 will become 10, sir. Like last 10 will become, last 0 will become 10 and 0, next 0 will become 9. So, 10 minus 3 is 7 and 9 minus 8 is 1, sir. And 3, and then the predecessor of 4 is 3. So, answer is 317.
Correct. That's all. Yeah, tell me. Rashnika.
Sir, if we have someone like suppose now that we're having these zeros and there is only one digit on the top number. So what if we have 52300
52300
minus 3728?
Okay, something like 3728. Okay.
Now,
yeah. After learning general subtraction, we'll add up with this one also, Nikilam Sutra. We'll mix up with the Nikilam Sutra. So this comes under general subtraction. Okay. We'll do in the next class. We'll take this one also, how to do this subtraction. Later, this one is same. Last from 9 and this one. Last from 10 and this one from 9.
Okay.
Okay. After taking this one, we'll take this type of questions also.
Okay.
In the next class. Okay. And Ashwad Reddy, what is that? Class 6 worksheet. Ashwad.
So it seems he shared it by mistake.
Okay. Okay, by mistake. Right. Sudisha, now you can unmute.
Yes, sir. 900 minus 73.
It's a normal question. Yes, question.
Yes. 10 minus 3 is 7.
Okay.
Yes, sir. 9 minus 7 is 2, sir.
2. Okay.
Then 9's predecessor is 8, sir. So 827.
Correct. If it is 1, we'll ignore that one because its predecessor is 0. So because it is 9, we'll take it as 8. Okay, Srushti. You can unmute.
Yes, sir. Sir, 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus...
Sir, she's on mute.
Sir, 10
10
minus 2 is
8.
8. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 7 is 2.
Okay,
And 6 predecessor is 5. So 5,238.
very good, correct. Show Pranav.
Yes, sir. So 10 minus 9 is equals to 1.
Okay,
So 9 minus 7 is equals to 2.
okay,
So 9 minus 9 is equals to 0.
okay.
And 2 on sir. 1, sir.
2 before number. Or 2's predecessor. Toshnika, your chance. Your turn.
So the number given to us is 50,000
Okay.
minus 4 of, yeah, sir. 50,000 minus 4,334.
Okay.
So the first number, what we're going to do is subtract it from 10.
Okay,
4 subtracted from
Okay.
10 is 6.
right.
10's place. 3 subtracted from 9, which is equal to 6 again.
Okay,
100's place. 3 is subtracted from 9 again, which is again 6.
okay,
And 4 subtracted from 9 in the thousands place, it's 5.
okay,
Coming back to this, 5's predecessor is 4. So we're going to write down 4.
correct. 45,666.
Yes.
Jaideep.
Yes, sir. Sir, only the rightmost digits should be subtracted from 10, sir, and others from 9, sir. So 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 1 is 8, and again 9 minus 0 is 9,
Okay,
and 9 minus 8 is 1, and 7 predecessor is 6. So the answer is 61,988.
very good, correct. So with this, I am stopping here. In the next class means the day after tomorrow, right? In the next class,
Yes, sir.
we'll complete Nikilam. We'll complete Nikilam, and we will maximum in 2 to 3 classes. Next, further 2 to 3 classes, we'll complete all types of additions and subtractions
Okay, sir.
by next week, I think.
After that,
Complete
there
all
is
types
a
of additions and
multiplication,
subtractions.
right?
Later,
Okay, sir.
we'll start with
Sir,
multiplication.
next class you did both mix or addition and subtraction.
Yes, sir. This class is interesting,
We'll
sir.
deal with the separate cases only. But general, now we are dealing with the special differences, right? Special subtractions.
Sir, but I'm saying that next class you give both addition and subtraction.
Yes, sir.
The additions and subtractions which are applicable for every type of question, not for special cases. Not only for special cases.
Sir, I like this class very much, sir.
Sir, I do like
I do, sir.
For basic math.
Sir, I have to, sir.
Yeah, we'll stop here. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you so much, sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.